What do you like more, Shakespeare or Game of Thrones or Money Heist? Second question, what do you like more, books or Netflix? Keep the answer in your mind. Most of us say that we like this. Basically, we get more pleasure doing this or this activity. But how do you know which is more pleasurable? Listen to this very carefully. You can only judge better pleasure between the two when you have experienced both. How do you know you like more Game of Thrones or Money Heist when you haven't read Shakespeare? How do you know you like Netflix series or TV series more when you haven't read enough of books, at least equivalent to books? If you had hundreds of series, at least you should read 20 to 25 books. Basically, without experiencing, you cannot judge. So, most of the time, you must be lying to yourself that I like this or like that. Many people, when I talk to them, they say that I like this, I like that, and this is more important, this is better, that is better. And I agree to them because I don't want to get into kind of useless conversation, useless in the sense that you cannot uh, convince or you cannot uh, tell people that their entire education system or their entire belief of education is wrong. That's basically what it is. So of course most of you said that you like series, you like Netflix, you like Game of Thrones rather than Shakespeare or books, because most of us have not read Shakespeare, and we cannot judge it at all without reading it. Most of us haven't read enough book to know what is the pleasure behind reading the book. So basically, the gist of this book, that which is more pleasurable and how to decide it, is totally based on the exploration. That how much you explore things, you explore different things, and you decide between them. That is, this is more pleasurable, this is less pleasurable. This I can do lifetime. Why I'm saying lifetime? Because many times what we are doing in our jobs, in our passions or different kind of, we don't like it much because we haven't explored enough. Okay, so exploration is very important concept here. To understand things you need to read things, you cannot judge them on the very face value. Basically many times when a movie comes, a video comes, or something informative comes, people say it's either propaganda, it's BS, or it's useless, it's just a hype or advertisement. But you can't criticize it until unless you have watched it. Many times we don't watch it because there comes the point of valuing your time. You are valuing your time by watching good content, which is a very good choice. But when you are actively involved in criticizing something, or when you are actively searching for yourself that which is the thing I like more and where I want to spend my time, you should give time. It's a very important session, so I've written it. At last, the highest pleasure between the two things, two people, and anything where you are trying to compare, you are trying to decide, can only be known to those who have experienced both. Okay, जब तक तुम दोनों चीज़ों को experience नहीं किए हो, you can't decide which is better, which is more pleasurable. Okay, that's all. Thank you.